Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Intraday Key Levels Indicator. When trading intraday, there are several dynamic levels in the market that often come into play throughout the trading session. Therefore, it is important and can be advantageous for traders to be aware of them. These levels are the open, high and low for the current session, the high and low from the previous day, the high and low from the previous week, and the high and low from the previous month. The Intraday Key Levels Indicator automatically tracks, updates and displays these levels, avoiding the need for the user to do this manually. The Intraday Key Levels Indicator is selected for use by dragging it from the Favourites tab in the Navigator window and dropping it onto the chart. Since these dynamic levels are most useful when trading intraday, they will be set to display on the lower time frames only. The open, high and low levels for the current session are displayed in red, and the other dynamic levels are displayed in blue. As this is a user configurable option, the colours can be changed at any time depending on user preference. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.